guys? Welcome back. I hope everybody had a wonderful weekend. We're back in business. Today is Monday, October 17, 2022, and we're here rocking and rolling. And the S&P 500 is up 2.5% today with a wild gap open and just continuing to go higher. I am recording at 2:50 p.m. So again, things can change in the next hour or so. But again, it looks like we're going higher. The portfolio just had an amazing day. We're up 20% on the day. Let's take a look here on the update. 20% roughly, give or take. And that being said, guys, we are doing really well. Roku's up 8.5%, AMD's up almost 4%, and Beyond is doing all right. So I did sell these cover calls Friday. There's no cover calls on Roku or AMD. Beyond still has a cover call open. These are pretty much gonna go worthless anyways, unless Beyond shoots to the 16 strike point, which it could happen, but I don't really care if they want to take it or not. I am gonna hold on to these until they expire or something else and sell them again. So Beyond is actually, believe it or not, doing the best out of Roku and AMD. I still haven't made a deposit, guys. I'm still waiting. The market does seem uncertain. I don't want to make deposits and just have these ridiculous averages, right? Make a deposit, buy more, and I'm just not about that. So I'm going to wait, be patient. Deposits will come. I don't want to grow this authentically. I want to make sure the premium is working for itself so you guys can see how this actually works. But again, Roku's having a great day because Netflix came out with some news. I believe it was some analyst said something about users numbers maybe improving. Now, again, these analysts typically get everything wrong, from CPI, unemployment, GDP numbers. They pretty much everything they say is way off numbers. So who knows what this actually means? Because of this data that came out, news came out right about early in the morning, right before open, you had this big move on Roku. So this is great because we own Roku, and Roku's been getting clapped lately. So I do hope we do get in the 60s sometime soon. Roku is reporting earnings soon. AMD also as well. We're looking at early November, so about the 2nd to 3rd, right about there. And yeah, so these are currently not covered. The only thing I'm covering here is Beyond. So I'm hoping tomorrow we do have a continuation, another 5-6% move on Roku. It's possible because Netflix is actually reporting earnings tomorrow. And if Netflix does well, based upon these analysts, it could have another big move here. So I'm not playing any Roku calls or anything like that, but I am holding the stocks. Hopefully that happens, and then we can sell some cover calls that cover earnings and collect some more premium on that. Same thing with AMD. Hopefully it gets another big move here. I definitely want to see that 60 break. That'd be nice to see. But anyways, guys, I don't know if this rally is going to hold up or not. It's really interesting because just Friday, it looked like everything was going to go to shit, right? You had this massive move on the 13th and then just sold off. And today, back where we were on Friday highs, right about here. Now, we haven't crossed 370 yet, but we may do that either in the next hour or so or sooner than later, honestly. That being said, guys, we did do a play today. Well, it was actually yesterday. I alerted a SPY call. When I mean yesterday, I mean Friday. I alerted a 365 call on a SPY, and we pay $4.15 for this, and these expire, next week on Monday. So when you're buying SPY calls, or it doesn't matter if it's SPY, any ETF, like, the Dow, the Queens, right, the NASDAQ, I like to get Monday expirations because it gives me that extra volatility, that IV that's implied. So these contracts don't decay as fast because it covers the weekend. But anyways, I bought these roughly around 12 o'clock midday on Friday, and it closed 20% down. We bought this at 4:15. I believe it closed around 3:30, 3:20, somewhere around there. And then today the market opened at 9:30 a.m. I was like, yep, I'm out. And we sold these as 6.0, so $600. We bought it for 415, 600. We made about 50% on this play. Not too bad, not too shabby. I am 4 for 4 so far. Take a look at these alerts. It's just good. Apple, we killed it. We did Meta. Just a lot of good plays that we did. Another SPY play that we did was good. All these plays that I've been alerting so far have been great. Looks like Medium wanted to get a Roblox call today. He went a little bit lower than expected. He is back, which is great. Being back in the Senate department, which is our trading department, it is a lot of pressure. So he definitely wanted to get a better entry and wasn't able to do so. But let's take a look at SPY here. Okay, so this was on Friday. We had this nice decline down. It was a very good opportunity to short. I did not short. Again, I bought these SPY calls somewhere around here. We did close a little bit lower. Over the weekend, the futures market opened, and then today we just had this massive move up to the upside. Now, again, I'm not too sure exactly if this is something that's sustainable. We do have to break this 370 level and hold. It could happen today. I doubt it, but it could. Another $3 move. It's highly possible, but 370 is not marked. I think more likely it's going to be tomorrow that we hit these levels. Opportunity wise, when it comes to naked trades, so option trades, it really looks like the stocks that have been beat up the most, and it's growth names and tech. Apple's doing great today. Again, all these companies have earnings coming up. Remember that. So when you're buying trades, these contracts are going to be extremely expensive if you have time on them, because they cover earnings. There's a high implied volatility on these contracts. Banks just reported that they're great. That's what caused this market rally. So JPM, Bank of America, all these banks are reporting this week, and it looks like they just had a great start. From my understanding, the market is saying that the economy isn't in the shape that it is foreseen to be. But anyways, guys, that's pretty much it. Let's take a last look at this updated balance here and see if we can break that 4,000 mark area. Looks like we're retracing a little bit. But anyways, guys, I'm going to wrap it up here. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video. I'm going to do some more plays, some more coverage, and teach you guys a few things. Subscribe, like, and comment. Peace.